Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior with a beige interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz E350 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. This vehicle has these really nice wood grain features, as well as the premium Burmester sound system. Rear seats. And a quick look up front. We have heated memory seats with the driver seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 3,108, and we have a push-button ignition, Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, backup camera, climate control, ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle here. Quick look at our center console and the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.